Pull the vacuum, drain, and squeegee hoses out of their receivers and clips. Undo the 3 latches. Lift the top tank off the machine and set it on the floor. Disconnect the 2 electrical quick disconnects. Remove the 2 battery brackets. Remove the foam surrounding the battery. Lift the battery out of the machine. Use a 7/16 inch ratchet with an extension to remove the 3 nuts holding the vacuum motor in place. Lift the vacuum motor off of its studs and set it in the bottom of the machine. Disconnect the vacuum motor quick disconnects. To install the new motor, follow the same steps in reverse.